Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Know with Fawzia. Today we will see two girls' conversation with each other in their classes during break time, Aisha and Alia. So let's get see. Hello Alia. Hello Aisha. Hey Alia, did you finish your maths homework? Huh. Really? That last question is so confusing. Did you get it? Kind. I had to look it up online. Mr. Sharma gives the hardest question sometime. Seriously. And we have his test next week. I'm already stressed. Same. Maybe we should study together this weekend. That's good idea. We can go to the cafe near school. Good coffee and Wi-Fi. Yes, and maybe actually understand interrogation this time. Finger crossed. Oh, did you hear about the dance audition? Yeah, are you trying out? I want to, but I'm nervous. You? I might. Let's do it together. It will fun. Deal. Let's service Max first thought. Okay, seriously. If I fail this Max test, I'm blaming to Mr. Sharma and his love for tutor. Same. He act like we are training to be astronaut or something. Right. Meanwhile, Priya was sleeping in a bag like she was in vacation. Right. Meanwhile, Priya was sleeping in the bag like she is on vacation. Yes, I saw that. And he didn't even say anything. If it were us, we would be lecture for 15 minutes. Excellent, double standards. So, how do you think Ara's like? Gipsy, no way. Are we doing this now? Duke, you have seen how he always Neha helping? True. Or maybe he is just being nice. He is nice to everyone, but not that nice. He irritatedly pulled out the chair for her. Wow, that's romantic and extreme flavory. I cannot tell anymore. Let's observe and report. Operation Crush was being now. I am in, but first lunch. Yes, I brought extra fries. You're welcome. You are a lifesaver. This is why you are my bestie. So tell me why Mahek was giving a cold shoulder to you? Huh? Don't even ask. I think she is because I didn't wait for her before class. Seriously? That's such a small thing. I know, right? I text her too. But she is look at me and walk off. Maybe she is having bad day or drama incoming. Probably both. She's been acting worried since she found out I'm preparing with you a science project. Wait, what? I thought she didn't even like science. She does not. That's what's so confusing. Jealousy maybe? Fact, if she will is your real friend, she will come around. If not, well, more fries for you. That's the spirit. Also, we need to plan outfit for sport day. I'm not showing up with a boring white t-shirt again. Girls, same. Let's coordinate matching shoes. Matching everything, we will start a trend. Watch everyone copy us the next day. As they should. Like this video. Thank you for watching this video. Like, subscribe and share.